Hello students of class 9th. Student, as we are reading unit 4 electronic spreadsheets. In this unit, as we are reading session 3, enter data in spreadsheets. Children, as you know, Excel is a very advanced application software of MS Office, and in this application we can do various of work related to the calculation. The children, first of all, we should know how to enter the data and what are the types of the data we can enter in the MS Excel, I mean in this application, and how to select the cells and editing the cells. The children, the basic things as I told you in session 1 and 2, but 3 as telling about how to enter the data in a spreadsheets. So let's have the look of the Excel in which we will do the practical work related to this session. So let's have a look of the practical. Children, you can see here, this is the MS Excel screen, and you want to type here. So first of all, click on any cell, as I clicked here A1 here, and we want to write in this cell. So we can double click on this. As you can see here, we are the A1, as we write here the January, and then press the enter. Automatically it comes downward as a A2, and now here cell A1 to cell E2, as if you want to write in the other cell, so you have to press the enter key, or you can move to right hand side, so you will press the shift. So as we write here the February, as press the enter, so we go the downward, and now as you can see here, it is a February. If there is a mistake in that text, so you can double click on that, or you can use F2 for uh, making the sum correction in that cell, or you can select that cell, or you can see that is shown also in the formula bar, where you can add and edit that text, and here you can select and press the enter here. And now you want to use the F2, to press the F2, directly you can edit it format, I mean editing mode. Automatically cursor will blink in that cell, and you can edit, or you can rename that text. So like as you want to write the in other cell, so you can move from as A2 to D3 as you want to write. And if you want to write here, like as we have, as I have written here the January and February, and we want to write the other month's name, so we can drag downward selecting these 2 months name, and you can see this is a very small, as a auto fill means that is a, it automatically fill the all the months. Drag downward, and you will see here the all months will be appeared automatically. So this will let you to fill the automatically all the months here, as well as you can see on the screen. This will let to the autofill all the months automatically. No need to write by keyed in or by using your keys. And same wise here, likewise you can enter the number also as 1 and 2, as I have written, and drag downward. Automatically it fill all the numbers, means according to your needs you will drag downward, and automatically it will fill all the numbers. Like here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. This way We can write the randomly also, like even or odd number, like here 3, 6, 9. If you want to write like this number, the 6, 3 and 6, and drag downward after writing, automatically you will get here the as a prime number here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. The children, as you can use, this is the autofill here. And now after this we understand fill series here, as I have written here the debit, and we want to write again in the next cell as a debit. I mean, suppose the different name, but if we press here the D, automatically debit will automatically here, means that is the fill series, means it will automatically fill that previous text which we have written earlier. But as you want to write the as a other things, like a David is awesome in Excel, and now you want to write after that cell, means here it is a D16, and you want to write in the E here the 16, means after that the cell. So what would be happened here, it will cover that text automatically. You can see here ABC, as I have written here, it covered the name of here, I mean the text. It is now it is not appear here. So what, we click here on this cell, and we can see here on the formula bar it is showing here all text here is here. But ABC, as we have written, it covered by this as a text. So for what for we will do it, means if we want to show all this text here, so we go to here between the D and E, we find this is a line, and double click on this, or you can manually do it. Okay, means you can inside or outside, means according to the needs of your space you can increase the space or decrease the space by this as a handle. And you can say this is here the space, you can increase or decrease the space according to your needs here. The children, this let you to as a set the space of your any cell. The children, as after that we find here something as a text, the writing for the name here, name as a, if you want to write a name, so you can enter the name, that will be as a text format. Text level data, means this is related to the text. And in E2 we want to write as a email. Email would be the combination of the text and symbols. And then after we find here the date, date would be here the numbers, and the slash forward slash dots, means you can say special type of the symbols here. The children, as Excel automatically understand the what we want to enter, means in data term. Okay, the children, you can see here the name, email, data, as here the sum as a data related to the additional type of the data. Like in the name, in the name column we want to write as a such a, like here the date. Okay, like here 9 forward slash 9 and 2013, suppose we write as any year, any date. So now you can see when we write here, so automatically it fill. And when we write here the time 10 colon sign and 00, so automatically it take the 10 a.m. Okay children, according to the your current date time of the system. Now we again write here 10 a.m., 10 colon sign 00 and p.m. suppose, so it will take automatically the format of the here the date. So children, as you can see here, this will take all things automatically, means Excel understand the format of the data here. And suppose we write here using the parenthesis, inside the parenthesis we write any number, automatically it change the as a value in the minus value, means negative value it changes. And this way we write here as a, like 22 oblique 1 upon 4. So as we know 2.25 it is a, but press the enter when we see here the Excel understand the value of this 2 by 1 upon 4 means this is a understand is a 2.25 here. So children, as we see here, Excel understand the format of the data types. Okay, like here 919/1, automatically it understand here the January as a year. What you have set with your system, automatically it takes like this way we enter the date and time and data in the Excel. Children, you note down here, we when we write any format of the data like text, it automatically take the text like January, February, as we have written here, name, email, date, we wrote something here, text label, and we insert some numbers and some minus value, some different date type like as data type here like numbers, text, and formulas. Also formula means using the parentheses, equal sign. So we use here some type of the data in the Excel for the entering types of the data. As you can understand, like here the sum data can be entered directly or by using the your mouse or by the arrow, or you can overtype also. Overtype means when you suppose name as have a written already here and you want to enter in that place different text, so only simple method, only click on that again or press the F2. For instead of here the double clicking, F2 press, only select that cell and press F2, automatically that cell will be activated and the cursor will be activated inside the cell and you can re-enter your data. So that will be as a here the overwriting on the on that text, mean that text will be erased and what you write next text automatically appeared in that place. So children, as I told you about here, the entering the data and enter the values, enter the numbers, enter the date format. So I think you will do this at your home also, as you will get the time for practical, and practical is more important than your manual in the computer science. Thank you for student. Thank you for watching this video.